Balitang Rational. Good morning, Pilipinas, and welcome to another edition of Balitang Rational. For this video, allow me to use English and Tagalog as our medium of instruction. Let us simplify this given rational expression: y squared minus 4y plus 4 all over y squared minus 4. This is called a rational expression because both of our numerators and denominators are expressed in the form of a polynomial. Well, even if it's only the denominator, it's still called as a rational expression. Here, we are going to take out factors of numerators and denominators to do the task. Okay? Baka yung iba sa atin, they will just try to remove y squared because you see y squared sa numerator at may y squared din sa denominator. Also, you have 4 as a constant sa denominator at saka sa numerator. But you cannot use cancellation law. The cancellation law is only used for factors o under multiplication. Kasi yung mas kumpleto pangalan ng cancellation law is cancellation law for multiplication. In short, ang gagawin natin dito is to factor both expressions, the numerator and denominator. Looking at our numerator, it's a trinomial. Specifically a quadratic trinomial. So you need to really review yung mga lessons natin sa factoring kasi pag nahihirapan kayo doon, definitely this will be very difficult for you. So this is a quadratic trinomial. We can factor it using AC method. I'm just going to show a portion of it here. Okay, so AC. Okay, AC means multiply the A and C coefficients. Again, we're just focusing muna sa ating numerator. Okay. So, yung AC natin, yung A coefficient ng numerator is 1. Yung C coefficient ng numerator is actually 4. At saka yung AC natin is just equal to 4. Now, this 4 will now be identified with its factors. Yung factors na minumultiply natin to get 4. We have 1 at saka 4. At saka pwede din 2 times 2. Tama? Now, aside from this, we also have its negatives. Negative 1 at saka negative 4. Saka yung negative 2 and negative 2. All of these 4 pairs, when multiplied, will get a result of 4. Okay? But the focus here is which of these pairs we're going to consider. Okay? Look at the middle term. The coefficient is negative 4. Which of these 4 pairs, when added, will result to the middle term, negative 4. Again, the middle term is negative 4, not just 4. So, this is not the answer. This is the answer actually. Ito po yung sagot. Ito po yung mga factors ng 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 will result to 4. At saka when added, will result to negative 4. Ano pong purpose nito? Kasi ito yung step ng ating factoring at sa pag-trinomial kasi. If we have a trinomial, then we are sure that we have a binomial expression or 2 binomial expressions here. And using this AC way, gagamitin natin yung square root ng first term niya, y squared, so may y at saka y dito. At saka ilalagay natin yung mga coefficients after this AC method. So you have minus 2 kasi negative 2 yung isa, at saka yung pangalawa pala, negative 2 din. Yan. So ito yung dalawang binomial factors ng ating quadratic trinomial. If you're not sure with this, you could always verify, gamitin yung FOIL method, and I'm sure it will return to kung ano yung nasa numerator natin. But that's just for our factoring of the numerator. See? We have a process of factoring here. But this factoring we did for our numerator ay hindi katulad ng gagamitin natin sa denominator. Kasi yung denominator natin, this is a difference of 2 squares. Look at the operation, it's minus, at saka yung dalawang term are both perfect square. Y squared is a perfect square of y, at saka yung 4 ay perfect square ng 2. So yung factors natin dito ay dalawang binomial din kapag difference of 2 squares. At saka square root pa rin ng first term, y, at saka y here. Yung second term natin, square root ng second term, 4, which is 2 and 2. But make sure that the operation na naghiwalay sa dalawang term ay magkaiba. So plus at saka minus dito. Okay? So these are the factors of y squared minus 4. We still have a binomial. Now that we are done factoring the two expressions, and since they are already called factors, So magagamit natin dito yung cancellation law. Yung cancellation law, looking at the factors which are the same, found in both numerators and denominators, yung y minus 2 at saka itong y minus 2 dito. So kasi yung magkapareha sila. Now that we are done with this, yung final sagot natin is yung natirang mga expression. You have y minus 2 at saka yung sa denominator natin is actually y plus 1. Okay. So ito na yung final na sagot. By the way, wag niyong i-cancel ito at saka ito dito sa kabila kasi nga sabi natin, cancellation law will only work for terms separated by multiplication. So, bago tayo magtapos, just be reminded of the correct factoring methods to be used kasi pag nagkamali kayo sa factoring, definitely magkakamali kayo sa final answer. So ito ang dapat niyong tandaan. Lester Lou Sigumpan, nagbabalita for Balitang Rational. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like at i-share ang video ito. Maraming salamat!